Saw you with the box. What was in the box?
Because I envy your normal life.
Put the gun down, David.
It seems that envy is my sin.
No, what's in the box?
And here's the box. Full disclosure, obviously, I've already looked through it, but I wanted to put it back to show you exactly what I saw when I looked in the shop there. It was just, yeah, I think I looked in and I saw Mortal Kombat 4 for the Game Boy there. I was like, okay. So the orange meant $1, and I was like, well, that's worth $1. So I thought, why not? So let's take a look inside this box of mystery for $1. Put it off to the side now so we don't see it. First thing, Mortal Kombat 4 for the Game Boy. Bit of writing on it and all that, but still worth a little bit, maybe I think the $10 to $15 mark. Next one. Oof. This was the second cab off the rank. Kirby's Dream Land 2. Bit of stickerware there. Once again, a name on the back and all that, but still, I'll clean it up a little bit, I reckon, before sale, especially if I can get as much of that off the back as possible, but yeah. And then the last one, Super Mario Bros. Deluxe for the Game Boy Color. So maybe what, $50, $40 and $15, $20 if I can clear it right, maybe 10. So I'd say a good $100 between those for $1. But wait, there's even more. We have a bag here of Pokemon, I think they are. I have no idea what these even are. Disc Games 2000 disc, so I'll have to look that up. I think that first thing I pulled out though, that was, oh, this is a Tazo. Oh jeez. Yu-Gi-Oh! Tazo. So everything in here seems to be from around that 2000. So it's like this box just got donated as a whole. And yeah, so like a time capsule. Let's look them up to see if they're worth anything. I'll put any comps on the screen that I find. But yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh! Discs. With them up there. These are the sold listings for those Dragon Ball Z Tazo discs. So obviously these are the high-end ones that are very good condition and complete. Some of them still sealed in bags and all that. But yeah, like there is obviously potential for some money there. I've got some of those fluoros. I've got a couple of golds. Even just that pile there, mine's very similar to that. That's $152 for a big pile of them. I've got one of those, the Fusion Fighter discs. So yeah, definitely some potential in those Tazo discs, which I never would have thought when I was looking through the tub at first. Crazy, just crazy. So definitely a bolo if you ever see these anywhere. Dragon Ball Z Tazo discs with a Z. So these are the Pokemon cards. A lot of wear, obviously. No idea of values, but the dates seem to indicate. Where's the date on that one? I think there's dates on the energy cards. $99 maybe. And that's in a cover, an energy thing. Geez, I'll get them out of covers and put the decent stuff in though. I think energy trainer. Energy, oops. Arena. Sorry, I'm just trying to clear my throat. And these are Pokemon Stadium Evolution. Like, I think they came with chips or something. Yeah, they got. No idea how to do more research on these two. But Action 3D, so little 3D things. All from that late or early 2000s, late 90s era. So yeah, have to see if there's any value here. Oh, and there's also Pokemon Rulebook version 3 book. So that's interesting. And so we that was what was in the mystery box. Sorry if I'm whispering and sounding a bit weird, but Carmen's fast asleep, so I don't want to wake up.